It's Darren from Investor Income. Welcome to the channel. Please do like, subscribe if you get any value from this content. I'm just uploading videos again after I've made some changes to the system, which has taken a good few weeks of work, back testing and retesting, etc. But we've got some nice changes here. So you can see the averages that have been added, the green, orange and the red. Obviously the green, orange, red is buy, and then the green, orange and red is the other way around, it's a sell. That combines with the green, orange, red, obviously down here. And the best way to trade this system is wait for the crossover, and you've got deviation away from the baseline that we have here. And you've got a bearish sentiment there. Just sell it back to the baseline, and that's for reversals and swing trading. Or you can trade the moving averages with the trend. Just trade the pullbacks as you see them. And you can trade these on Nadex, these short contracts. So you can do an hour, 2 hour contracts on those. This will work on any time frame. You can even trade the 1 second of the 5-minute binaries, which I've been doing. It's hilarious, really. But you've got to go for the perfect setup. So with the trend trades, the pullbacks, you just wait for when you've got it crystal clear like this. If you've got something, like this down here where it's a lot less convincing, prices just flattened out. You can't take away all analysis, but even these entries, they're going to be they're winners in the end. But they're not perfect. You don't want to be taking those ones necessarily. You can see what's going on at the minute. You've got nothing. It's showing absolutely nothing. So the long-term trend here is the orange below the red. On the oscillator at the bottom, so that's going with the long-term trend, this move at the minute, but it's consolidated and looks like it's just breaking down as we speak. But this is a nothing trade. That's a nothing trade there, so we only want to look for the good setups like this, where it's clear the direction, it's rolled over, it's consolidated, it's heading down. Okay, here we can take the pullbacks, perfect entry there. And that just goes nicely, and we get double confirmation the trend's a strong trend, the orange and the red, and this one starts to roll over, crosses, and then these pinch together, indicating the end of the trend. And then we get the confirmation with the averages crossing, and you can't get any better than that for a swing trade. So here at the bottom here, this is a reversal, but it's kind of more in no man's land. So you can see what I mean about the averages. If you look at this pullback, the way the averages are, they're all spread out. This one's gone oversold and it's flattened out as well. So you're not going to want to take that really. If you do take that, that's a quick in and out scalp. Okay, you can just see, and if you get to this stage, you're not going to be taking any of these moves. It's not looking convincing at all. Here, this is a lot better. So even though this is a deep pullback, it's still technically a pullback. We've still got the confirmation down the bottom, so you can get quite bold in some of your trades. Perfect entry there again. So it's pretty awesome. It is much change. I think with Nadex this is really going to help, because, well, no, it is because I've already traded it. These pullbacks are just fantastic for Nadex. You just got to be patient and not jump in to average trades. You can take these ones up easy. You can see the moving averages. That's just not ideal. Okay, you're much better off getting in on the early move. Here, this is an extended move down. So it's taken a leg back and extended even further. So these aren't safe pullbacks. If you're going to take them, you just take a tiny scalp on them, because that could reverse at any time. So these averages are giving pretty much perfect entries. You see here, this is just pretty nothingness, very shallow flat market. You can go with the averages there, but it's weak. You can see the whole move's weak, and then it breaks out and makes its move. Okay, so you don't want to be trading necessarily in these areas because it's more risky. It's waiting to make a break either way. So you just go for the better setups. If there's nothing available on one pair, just look around, and if there's no trades available, obviously don't take anything. It's easy to rush in, and that's what some people are doing here. So this one here, we've got confusing metrics here. So we've got a bull trend, long-term trend, This one's got a rolling over. You've got nothing there. That's nothing. Nothing. The only thing you've got now at this point is the deviation. So we want this move to bear out and settle down a bit and see what actually happens with it. Same here. You've got to sort of pinching together, crossing over. But again, it's not convincing. That's just a consolidation area, and the move's not been made yet. It's certainly not finished. Again, here you can see absolutely perfect entries. This is on the Aussie dollar, US dollar. So on the 1 minute, it's absolutely perfect. The 5 minute I looked at, I haven't looked at Aussie dollar. 5 minute was perfect. This day you can see the entries here, unbelievable profit to be had. And we can see this move here that actually looks still not quite made. It looks like a reversal, but we're not got an entry yet on that one. It's going to have to make its move and then pull back. We've got a bit of confirmation that he could have taken a trade there. More of a risky one though. We just have to see how this one pans out. Let's just take a look at the US dollar CAD again. On the 5 minute, yeah, so it's topped out. It's not as clear on that one, but you can see the everything's overbought there. You could have actually taken a sell trade there if you wanted to, just based on these two crossing again. The shorter term oscillators, you could take a scalp there. You can see it gives you so many ways of getting into the market with confidence, and you can just literally pick the perfect trades. So we don't have to be worrying about. We're getting trend trades far more, and we can get in on the deviation trades as well. I mean, if you look at this deviation trade here, I wish I'd taken that because it's absolutely hits the baseline perfectly on the 5 minute. So just a deviation trade on the 5 minute there. Same here. Deviation trades hit, absolutely nails it again. Deep oversold, and you get the trend trades as well. Absolutely unbelievable system. Nadex, you can trade any time frame. You can go down to the seconds time frame. You can trade the 5 minute binaries. So just a quick look on that as well. So you just want to go for the perfect trades. So this one's not perfect, but you could have taken a trade there, a sell trade there. And this is US dollar CAD, so it's not even the best one for the binaries either. And you just wait for the confirmation here, win, and even that's even in a flat. Perfect win here. Look at that for a 5 minute binary on that one. Absolutely perfect. Goes to the roof. It's a winning trade again. Another winning trade. Another winning trade. So I hope you enjoyed it, and you can win anyway, any time frame. The system's just getting better and better, and now we can trade trend reversals with so much confidence. I think it's the best system, and it's the most complete system now that I know of. But it's my system, so I would say that. If you're interested, email me and I'll let you know. It's ridiculously affordable system. You get years membership of our trading group, and you get the course for €200. So that's what it is. If you want to join, please email me and we'll get you on board as soon as we can. I think you're going to love it. Take care.